In 1996, Snake Tray revolutionized the cable management industry with our patented hand-bendable cable tray that required no cutting or clipping to create turns. This innovative solution, designed with built-in mounting hardware, drastically reduced labor and material costs and set Snake Tray on a path to becoming a leader in cable management solutions, quickly developing a series of modular and prefabricated cable trays, all designed to cut installation costs. Today, Snake Tray is a one-stop shop for cable management solutions, including hand-bendable cable trays, high-capacity hybrid cable trays, lightweight aluminum trays, and heavy-duty steel cable runways, plus a wide range of mounting accessories for underfloor, wall-mounted, rack-mounted, and overhead cable conveyance. All Snake Tray cable trays are available in multiple widths, lengths, and finishes. All can be installed without any field fabrication, as Snake Tray products are designed with built-in mounting hardware. Companion fittings, turns, crosses, and accessories are also pre-manufactured for fast and easy installation. Don't see exactly what you need in our catalog? Our engineers are available for 24-hour technical support and consultation to help design a solution customized to your exact needs. Distributing power in addition to data? Snake Tray has that covered too. Our innovative Snake Bus Power Distribution System uses modular bus bar technology to bring up to 18 kilowatts of multi-phase pre-wired power to call centers, trading floors, and workstations in one easy-to-install track with electrical whips that deliver the power where you need it. Snake Tray also puts that power and data within easy reach through a wide selection of enclosures to deliver energy and data terminals exactly where needed. Recessed wall, ceiling, and raised floor enclosures are available in multiple shapes, finishes, and sizes to seamlessly blend with surrounding architecture. From data centers to commercial buildings, hospitals, schools, and warehouses, Snake Tray has the cable management, power distribution, and enclosures that help speed and reduce the cost of construction. Proudly made in the USA, our products are manufactured using 100% recycled steel and reclaimable materials. Snake Tray products are stocked at strategic locations across the country to guarantee rapid delivery. In fact, our products are uniquely designed to nest together for reduced shipping costs and easier handling at the job site. Snake Tray, your one-stop shop for cable management, power distribution, and enclosures.